Seal Once. Its proprietary formula uses non-toxic, deep-penetrating nanoparticles to prevent damage and decay caused by water infiltration and fungi growth. As it is absorbed, Seal Once bonds to the wood fibers on a microscopic level, providing your wood structure with durable and long-lasting protection. This eco-friendly, deep-penetrating product doesn't just protect the wood, it also preserves it. Most sealers and waterproofing products on the market today do not penetrate. Instead, they adhere only to the wood's surface, forming a topical coating, which quickly breaks down, no longer shielding against water. As the coating peels, water penetrates the wood, resulting in warping and cupping. Seal Once is unique in its use of nanotechnology to defend against water damage, shielding the wood and providing stability with a non-film forming flexible, breathable barrier. This barrier permits water vapor to escape and for wood to expand and contract without resulting in decay. Seal Once can be used to preserve old or new wood, extending its natural life. With proper preparation, Seal Once is easy to apply and will inhibit rot, mold, mildew, and fungi growth. Keep your wood beautiful. Protect it from the inside out. Protect it with Seal Once.